Hey, this is Shay here, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact campaign that I recently just showed my students. It's actually a brand new Make Money Online campaign that I also just recently started only a few days ago from scratch, and it's already making just over $250 a day. So I'll try keep this video as short as I can, and right now I will get straight to the point. So I'm just going to jump into the network that I have been using to make this money online. This is the exact campaign that I just started, and I just also want to point out that this is just one of the many networks that I actually use. I have well over 5 or 6 that I continuously use on a daily basis now. But for this video, I just wanted to focus on this single network right here to show you how well a brand new campaign can actually be performing, so soon if you know what you are doing. It's incredibly easy, in fact, to really make money online, again, if you know what you are doing. If you have someone to show you what to do and to give you a bit of their time, then you can honestly make any amount of money you want to online. So let me just continue right here in the network here. At the moment, it's just actually defaulted to today and yesterday. Right now it is the 11th of May we're in, and we're only around halfway through the day, barely even halfway through the day, in fact, just before lunchtime. So I'm actually just going to put this back, the campaign date, back to when I started it. So I'm just going to go back to the 8th. Alright, I said I only just recently started it, so let me show you. And if you're wondering why on earth I'm even showing a brand new campaign to my students and yourself right now, is because, for one, in your case, you may be looking for ways to make money online, and you really want to be able to see that, hey, it's still possible to make money online from scratch. Starting new campaigns. It's not just all the other marketers out there who have been online for years, they've got campaigns running for years, and they are the only ones that can make money. No, that's not the case here, and this is why I still create brand new campaigns from scratch and show to people such as yourself, and especially my students. I show the inner workings of the campaigns that I run, and by the inner workings I mean the traffic source, the funnel, everything I have set up to make these kinds of numbers happen so quickly with a brand new campaign. But just jumping back again, so again, I only just started this campaign literally a few days ago, so on the 8th of May, and I just want to focus on these campaigns. I'll just extend out this one, expand it so you can see the dates, and I'll go this one here. Alright, and I'll just open this one here as well. So these are individual offers that are highlighted in the reddish pinkish kind of color. So focus on those, and you'll see that I sent roughly the same amount of traffic. So 340, 276, a little less on that one I know, but close enough to 300-ish, and 328 clicks on that one. And I just want to point out quickly as well, yes, I am getting paid for clicks. I'm actually getting paid just for generating the click itself. So when my visitors click on my site, I get paid. And there's a few other little things that happen in there, and I'm not going to get into all those technical details in this video. That's not what it's about here. But let's just run through some of the numbers here. If we take a look at the top one here, this top offer in this campaign and in this, one network alone, again, I run many others at the same time as this, but as you can see, this one made $358. Alright, the next campaign made $295. Alright, the next offer, I should say, and this one here, unfortunately, only made just under $44. It made $43.96. And I say unfortunately because it didn't convert that great, because if you have a look again, it has roughly around 300 clicks, so a similar amount. Alright, and I made a lot more money on the above two offers right here. And by conversion, I also am including the payout. Alright, so it all has to do with the payout as well. As you can see, the average here was only 13 cents per click I was making. So that offer really was not working that great and is not working that great still. If we have a look for today, we're down to 5 cents. So I'm actually going to stop that one today and really just focus on these two offers above here. Alright, so these ones, they're doing about $1.07 per click, $1.05. Now, I mean, I've got other networks that I make over $10 per click. And yes, they do range quite a lot. But if we have a look at the 9th, so just a couple days ago, this offer was actually paying $1.90. This one here on the same day, a little higher day overall, $2.03 per click. So some pretty good numbers there. I sent a little more traffic to this network. I've got other networks that make $4 to $5 per click, some in the $6 per click, and some even over $8, $9, and $10 per click. And this is exactly what I show to my students. And I'm in the inner workings of these campaigns, exactly how I set them up and run them on a daily basis. This is what I show my students all the time. And you know what? I'm giving you the opportunity to see exactly how I do this as well. So if you are serious, and of course you act quick enough, because I'm not going to have this thing open forever. So again, if you take action right now and you are super serious about figuring out exactly how I'm doing this, and you want to run make money online campaigns just like this as well, then take action, do it now. Just click the link at the top of the description. It'll just be a quick, short bit.ly link so you can jump over to my site. And then all you have to do as soon as you are here, okay, I'm just showing my site as well so you can see. So as soon as you are here, all you have to do is just enter in your best email address. So do that and then click the Get Access button here. Alright, and that's all you have to do on the site. On the next page, I'll actually remind you of an important step, and the final important step that you need to do to get access right away is go check your email. So the email address that you just entered in on my site here, go check that inbox. Alright, check for my welcome email from me, because in that email I'm going to have a bunch of super important information to help you get started right now. So go do those few things now. Get access to this thing while I still have it available. Thanks so much for watching my video today, and I look forward to working with you soon.